Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a walk-around startup and drive video of this beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang. Now, this car is finished in the original color of lime gold with black interior. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful paint and body on this car. Style steeled wheels with BF Goodrich Radial TA raised white letter tires. This car has a 347 stroker engine underneath the hood, automatic transmission, power steering and power brakes. It also has a serpentine belt system on it. It also has a vintage AC compressor on it, and it has the AC unit underneath the dash. It is not currently hooked up. The lines need to be hooked up to the under the dash, but everything is there except for the lines. Very nice car. The AC condenser and everything's there. So we are just so short-handed. I don't have time. I don't have the manpower to hook that up. So it is all there except for the lines. You need to hook that up. It's got the auto light battery, retro battery in it. Aluminum headed 347 stroker. Car runs really well, very nicely detailed underneath the hood. Super nice, clean, solid 67 Fastback. All the buck tags are intact on this car. VIN tags are all there, all intact. Beautiful lime gold 67 Fastback. The chrome bumpers look like brand new on this car. The stainless trim, the bright work, all looks great. It is super nice, clean car. Black interior, bucket seats, automatic on the floor. Very nice door jambs, very nice door panels. I apologize about the shadows. Just the wrong time of day, I guess. But it was cloudy this morning. I didn't have time to get it out here, so. Interior is brand new in the car. New seat covers, new carpet, new headliner. Dash pad's in good shape. This is a really nice car. Has a fold down back seat. Well, the shadows make it a little difficult to see everything on the car. I did take pictures of it. They will be on my website. But you can see how the nice, clean, quality car. I'm walking around looking for imperfections in the paint, and I'm sure there's something somewhere, but I really don't see anything that really sticks out to me. The door gaps are very nice. All the panel alignment's really nice on the car. Say the bumpers are really crystal clear. Looks like somebody must have put new bumpers on this car. So it's super nice. All the glass in the car is in good shape. The 67 Fastback, 67 and 8 are my favorite year Fastbacks. They're all nice. I like them all, but 67 and 8 are probably have my pick. Wipers work. Horn works, blower motor works. All the gauges in the dash seem to work. Very nice sounding car. Got a little spider web on it there. Knock that off. Turn signals, tail lights, license plate light. Of course, there is no side marker lights on the 67. Headlights. Left turn signal. This is a very nice, clean, quality Fastback. $69.9 is the price. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Check out the paint on this car. Really slick paint. Very nice. Just a nice, clean, quality Fastback. 69.9, like I say, everybody, well, not everybody, but a lot of people are wondering, how come you never tell us the price on your videos? Well, it's because sometimes so I don't know the exact number that I'm going to ask for a vehicle, but I always tell everyone in my videos, I'm always up for constructive criticism. So if there's something I'm doing that I shouldn't be doing, or something that you want me to do, all you got to do is let me know. Shut them headlights off. I'm always willing to accommodate all of my customers as well as possible. You can see all the gauges in the car. They all work. 73,000 miles. And I bought this car from a friend of mine, and he said that the miles are supposed to be actual on this car. Very nice car. You can see I don't even have my hands on the steering wheel. It drives very nice, very straight. A very, very good car. Whoever gets this car is going to be very happy with it. And that 347 runs very well. We'll stop here. Brakes work good. They don't pull left or right. Go to oil pressure. Clarence, Iowa. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're trying to get as many followers on YouTube as we possibly can. That way we get a lot more customers. The more you guys share our videos, the better we like it. I really hope everyone has a great afternoon and a great evening, and I will be talking to you guys very soon. Have a good night.